quick peek before we roll the dice. So slot number 2 does have a sealed box of artifacts, as does slot number 12. A couple nice portraits at number 7, and the rest of them are filled with packs, cards. So if we get packs, tonight I've decided I will mail out the packs. So we'll do a random org with the packs, mail them out to the individual, and cards as well we will do a random. So we'll start off, we'll roll the dice. So we have rolled a 4 and a 3, so a 7. So going to the random wall. So a 7 is the 2 Be a Player portraits. So we'll do random org for those 2. So I'll just start up the random org page here. So all the teams are listed. Oh, my apologies, they were having some technical difficulties with that. So I will set up the random org and have it in a separate video. So random org for the 2 Be a Player portraits as well for the wildcard redemption. So we'll have it all in the separate video. Get this all set up here. I'm having some technical issues right now. So once again, thank you to everyone. Congratulations to everyone who got the hits. Make sure you watch the follow-up video here with the random org draws. As well, I will talk a little bit about the case break. Thank you.